Mapleton, Kansas. Good-looking hat there, worn by one Lane Northcutt as he celebrates his 6th birthday. Happy birthday, Lane, from Mom, Dad, and Gunner.
All right. We've got Alathia, Campbell, Kemper. Pretty name there. Turning 9 years old in Ornogo. As I understand, Alathia is a fan of math and slime. And Alathia has a palindromic birthday. That's when you're born on the exact date
2112.
in which the birthday is a palindrome. Yeah, the beginning 3 numbers are the same as the end ones. Like Michael said, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. Pretty cool. Happy birthday, Alathia.
Henry Rector, he's celebrating his 11th birthday. Henry, wants you to have a marvelous day. He's in Commerce.
Mitchell House, turning 17 years old this year. Happy birthday, Mitchell, in Oswego.
And check this out. We got a Boogney birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. Sean. I don't know how you corrupted those kids like that, got them in those Browns uniforms. My goodness. Great family right there. Love the Boogneys. Have a great one, buddy.
That's a good picture there. And let's see, Shonda Ross, happy birthday to you in Scammon. Vonette Gateway celebrating in Pittsburgh, and David Robinson is turning 58 years old in Neosho.
Oh, not that David Robinson. I still want to nickname that David Robinson the Admiral. I'm going to do it. There you go.
All right, happy birthday, Admiral.
In Chetopa, Johnny and Janet Zwallen. They are celebrating an anniversary. Congratulations to the Zwallens and happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KWAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
You check out this